Narayani. Good morning to all. My name is Steve Bishop. I am studying grade 3A section. Today I am going to speak state and capitals, union territories, Vellore district, historic heritage sites of Tamil Nadu, state 20 states and capitals. Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bangalore, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Impal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizawl, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, West Bengal, Kolkata. 8 union territories. Andaman Nicobar Island, Port Blair, Chandigarh, Dadra, Nagar Haveli, Daman, Delhi, Ladakh, Leh, Lachiti, Kavaratti, Jammu Kashmir, Srinagar, Pondicherry, Vellore district, historic Vellore Fort, Science Park, Government Museum, Amaji Zoo, Jalgari Ishwaran Temple, Sri Lakshmi Golden Temple, Yergeli East Station, sites, heritage sites of Tamil Nadu, Mahabalipuram Beach, 5 Dams, Madurai Meenakshi Amman Temple, Vaigai Dam, Tiruvannamalai, Annamalaya Temple, Sattanur Dam, Kummakodam, Adi Kumeshwar Temple, Nageshwar Temple, Chettinad Palace, Chettinad Museum, Kanyakumari Beach, Vivekananda Rock Memorial, Tanjavur Pragadishwar Temple, Gangaikonda Solapuram, Chennai Marina Beach, Government Museum, Sirabara, Pichawar Forest, Nadaraja Temple, Nagapattinam, Dutch Fort, Sikal, Singala Valley Temple, Tirunelveli, Papanasam, Agatya Falls, Kanchipuram, Kamachi Amman Temple, Vararaja Perumal Temple, Rameswaram Temple, Dhanushkodi Temple and Beach. Thank you.